Fire how trading less makes you more profitable. Ladies and gentlemen, traders, beginners, and seasoned market warriors. Today we dive into one of the most important lessons in trading. Why trading less actually makes you more profitable. This idea sounds upside down, especially to new traders. But by the end of this talk, you'll understand why the best traders in the world trade far less than you think, and why doing the same could completely transform your results. Let's begin. 1. The biggest mistake every new trader makes. Most beginners think trading more equals earning more. More setups, more entries, more action, more opportunities. But let me tell you the truth. Most traders lose money not because they lack skill, but because they trade too much. They enter trades out of boredom. They enter trades out of fear of missing out. They enter trades because they feel pressure to make something happen. But in trading, doing more does not mean achieving more. Often, doing less is the key to achieving what you truly want. Consistency, growth, and long-term profitability. 2. Not every market move is an opportunity. One thing both beginners and advanced traders must accept. The market moves all the time, but not every move is a trade. There are only a few high-probability moments each day, sometimes each week, where the market aligns perfectly with your strategy. The rest of the time, the market is full of noise, fake breakouts, random spikes, low-volume movements, tricks that hunt stops, unpredictable reactions. If you try to trade everything you see, the market will punish you. But when you trade less, when you wait for quality, you avoid the traps and only strike when the odds are on your side. 3. The power of high-quality setups. Think of trading like being a sniper. A sniper doesn't take every shot. A sniper waits, observes, breathes, and only takes the shot when the target is clear and the conditions are perfect. A professional trader is the same. Trading less forces you to wait for clean structure, high probability setups, clear confirmations, good risk-to-reward ratios, proper conditions based on your plan. These setups are usually rare, but they are powerful. A single high-quality setup can outperform 5 rush trades. 4. Trading less protects your account from death by 1,000 cuts. If you trade a lot, your losses don't come as one big hit. They come as small slices every day. A bad entry here, a FOMO trade there, a revenge trade after a loss, a rush trade before work, a trade you took because you were bored. 1 or 2 small losses don't hurt, but combined over time, they slowly destroy your account. Trading less stops this bleeding. You are no longer taking random, emotional trades. You are only taking trades that meet your plan. You remove 80% of your unnecessary losses instantly. 5. The emotional advantage of trading less. Trading is not just technical, it's emotional. When you trade less, you stress less, you rush less, you chase less, you fear less, you think more clearly. Your emotions calm down because you're not constantly entering and exiting the market. Beginners especially suffer from trading noise. The more you trade, the more emotional you become. The more emotional you become, the worse your decisions get. The worse your decisions get, the more you lose. Trading less breaks this cycle. It gives your mind space. It gives your strategy time to work. It gives your analysis meaning. 6. Trading less improves your accuracy. When you reduce your trading frequency, something amazing happens. Your accuracy improves a lot because you start filtering trades more carefully. You only take setups that make sense. You avoid uncertainty. You avoid guessing. Consistency becomes your standard. Your entries become cleaner. Your exits become more disciplined. Fewer trades, higher accuracy. Fewer trades, better results. 7. Advanced traders understand market rhythm. For advanced traders, trading less is a sign of maturity. They know most days aren't ideal for trading. Most conditions aren't efficient. Most setups are incomplete. Most price action is random. So advanced traders play their edge only when their edge is present. That's why advanced traders often take fewer trades per week. And yet they make more money than active, overly busy traders. Their strength is not speed, it's patience. Their power is not aggression, it's discipline. 8. The market rewards precision, not activity. The market is not a job where working harder means earning more. You can stare at charts all day, open 15 trades, monitor every candle, and still end the day with a loss. Because the market rewards precision, not activity. You get paid for good decisions, perfect timing, strong discipline, clear setups, proper risk management, not for effort, not for trying, not for being busy. Trading less teaches you to stop acting like a worker and start acting like a strategist. 9. How trading less creates more profit over time. Let's break it down simply. When you trade less, you avoid low-quality trades, heavy check mark. You avoid emotional trades, heavy check mark. You avoid over-leveraging, heavy check mark. You avoid unnecessary losses, heavy check mark. You keep your account safe, heavy check mark. You maintain emotional stability, heavy check mark. You wait for high-probability setups, heavy check mark. You let compounding work, heavy check mark. This combination creates consistent growth. Your account climbs steadily. Your confidence builds slowly but strongly. Your losses stay controlled. Your strategy becomes clearer. Trading less is not about being lazy. It's about being efficient. 10. The final message: trade smart, not often. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, here's the truth. Your goal is not to trade every day. Your goal is to trade well every time you trade. A beginner becomes profitable when they stop chasing movement. An advanced trader stays profitable by respecting patience. The market pays those who wait, not those who rush. So from today forward, trade less, wait more, focus on quality, protect your capital, respect your strategy, let the market come to you, because sometimes the most profitable thing you can do is nothing at all. Thank you. 11. Your edge comes from discipline, not activity. Most traders think their edge is their strategy, but strategies are everywhere. You can find a strategy on YouTube, TikTok, Google, anywhere. The real edge is how well you follow your rules. Two traders can use the same strategy. One becomes profitable. One blows their account. Why? Because discipline creates consistency, and consistency creates profit. When you trade less, you give yourself the space to follow your rules properly. No rushing, no forcing, no chasing. Trading less doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're controlled. And controlled traders last long in this game. 12. Mastering the waiting game. One of the hardest skills in trading is doing nothing. But waiting is actually part of the strategy. While you wait, you're not wasting time. You're reading structure, studying momentum, identifying zones, and watching price behavior. You're building a story in your head. What is the market trying to do? What is liquidity telling me? Where is the next clean opportunity? This is how advanced traders think. The moment you stop trying to catch the market and start letting the market show its hand, that's when your trading transforms. 13. The market rewards patience, not speed. There's a reason fast trading destroys accounts. Impulse comes from emotion. Emotion destroys logic. And logic is the foundation of trading. The market doesn't care about how fast you trade. It cares about how correct you are. The best trades in your career will come from moments when you waited, and waited, and waited, and then finally took the perfect entry. One trade can pay you more than 20 rushed ones. Quality will always beat quantity. 14. Build a system you can actually follow. Trading less becomes easier when you have a system that makes sense. A system where you know what you're waiting for, what confirms your entry, what invalidates your idea, when to stay out completely. When your system is clear, your mind becomes clear. When your mind is clear, your decisions become sharp. And when your decisions are sharp, your results improve automatically. Trading stops being stressful. It becomes structured. 15. The real secret: sustainability. Anyone can win a trade. Anyone can have a lucky week. But the real goal is to stay profitable for years. And the only way to do that is to protect your mental health, your emotional balance, and your capital. And that protection comes from trading less. The fewer trades you take, the fewer stupid mistakes you make. The fewer mistakes you make, the longer you survive. And survival is what creates long-term profit. 16. Final words. So as you continue your trading journey, remember this. You don't need a new strategy. You don't need 100 trades a week. You don't need to sit at the charts all day. You need patience. You need discipline. You need clarity. Trade less, but trade with purpose. Trade less, but trade with confidence. Trade less, so that every trade you take actually matters. Because in trading, your success is not measured by how many times you click, but by how well you manage yourself between the clicks. Thank you for listening. Now go trade with intention, with patience, and with the mindset of someone who understands. Less is not weakness. Less is edge. Less is profit. Thank you, and please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.